Welcome back, Stat Sleuths. Today, we're diving into the Poisson Distribution on the TI-84, the land of tiny surprises and big probabilities. Our mission: decode customer arrivals at a cozy little bookstore. Let's sleuth. Here's our setup. On average, 6 customers walk into the bookstore every hour. So our random variable x follows a Poisson distribution with lambda equals 6. Translation: the bookstore is calm, but not too calm. First question: what's the probability that exactly 4 customers show up this hour? Press second, then bars to open the distribution menu. Scroll to Poisson PDF. Enter 6. Then 4, then hit enter. And just like that, the TI-84 whispers the exact probability. Next, what's the probability that 4 or fewer customers arrive? Same menu. This time choose poissonCdf, the C stands for cumulative. Enter 6, then 4, press enter. This gives us the entire stack of probabilities from 0 up to 4. A full Poisson buffet. Now let's get dramatic. What's the probability that 8 or more customers show up? Chaos. We use the complement rule. Probability of x greater than or equal to 8 equals 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 7. So compute poissonCdf with lambda equals 6 and x equals 7. Then subtract that from 1. Elegant. Efficient. Very Poisson. Last one, what's the probability that the bookstore gets between 4 and 9 customers? We rewrite it as p of 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9 equals p of x less than or equal to 9 minus p of x less than or equal to 3. Compute poissonCdf, 6 and 9. Compute poissonCdf, 6 and 3. Subtract. And there it is, the probability of a perfectly average day. You just mastered Poisson on the TI-84. Tiny intervals, tiny surprises, big statistical power. See you in the next episode, Sleuths. And remember, always match your lambda to your interval. Poisson hates inconsistency.